Python completely free and in under 3 minutes. Let's get started. So you're going to want to search up Google AI Studio, and you can make an account if you don't already have an account. But if you do have an account, you will follow the next steps. You will click Get API Key, click Create API Key, pick the name, and pick the project. You can create a new project if you already don't have one. And then we're going to make sure you copy the API key because you're going to be using it. Then we click on documentation, then we copy the code. And in documentation, you can see how to use it in detail, generate images. But for our purpose, we're just making a simple chatbot. So we will do define chat message because we will wrap it in a function for our instance because you'll see. And the you will put your API key there. I'm not putting mine right now because obviously because of security reasons. I'll just be changing the version to 2.5 Flash instead of 3 Flash because it offers more chat messages. Instead of printing, we're going to do return responses.text and we will pass in a parameter content, which will be our content. So we will have our main logic and while true, prompt equals input. What is your prompt? Which is what we're going to be asking the user. Then we will be printing um, using the string human and then the human prompt. So it's like it doesn't. It's not like a natural chatbot, but close, kind of resembles one. Then we will generate our message from our AI, which we will use prompt, which function we just made. You can see why we did that, and then we can just print AI and another string with our message. And I just hit my function to so you guys can see my API key, and let's try running it. So, and I, and you can see the air respond back, and then largest planet, just wait for the AI, and it tells you. Make sure to subscribe, share this with your friends, and drop a comment about tutorials you want to see, and please subscribe, and bye. Thank you for watching.